My phone.
Hello everybody, welcome back to a brand new video. As of today, this is going to be the part 2 of, the Midnight Train track I am back, and I'm going to be playing with Tyrese again. Rats, 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 restore the rat, restore the rat. Yes, 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 get it, yes! Yo, Tyrese dipped, bro.
Oh, for the. Uh,
Yes. Alright
like,
lads, so y'all have probably seen the other video where me and Tyrese were, playing Midnight Train track, Midnight Train, right? And basically, we were at, the rap part that we just did just now, and we kind of fumbled the bag. Like crazy fumble. So, yeah, I decided to make a part 2 of this video. Why the hell are the police here? I have no clue. But anyway, lads, hopefully, you guys enjoy this video. Yeah.
oh my.
Loki.
Da, da, do, da, da, do, da.
This game is,
Isn't that just amazing?
womp womp. Holy womp womp, egghead.
Why is he actually
You
so?
egghead discombobulated Mr. Cleaner. Get out of my train station now.
He literally like see the shine in his hair, bro. He doesn't
He
even have
doesn't
hair.
have hair, bro. What are you on?
That's
That
my fault.
discombobulated forehead.
Hey man, it's too shiny. I can't even look in the game, bro. It's too shiny for
Bro,
my
look
eyes.
at how short this guy is. Ah, yes, leave, you discombobulated nincompoop.
Oh my god, I can see way.
Scram!
Well, my shining light was all the way now, and now I can see way better.
Damn. Pumpkinhead finally left the store. Where the hell is the fire extinguisher? Ah! Tyrese, this is just like Midnight Station, bro.
Yeah, fair point. Where's the
But
fire?
like, train station.
Come
Yeah,
here.
it kind of makes sense. I mean, train station.
Yeah, yeah. Man, I don't think I want to go here.
Bro,
Nobody,
that's bad out. You have the fire extinguisher. Are you a man or not?
bro. Yeah, but like, man, stand beside. Are you beside me?
Yeah.
Oh, you have the fire extinguisher as well.
Dip! Ah! I can't move! No!
I got finished. We're actually finished.
Run! Run! Please.
I mean,
Run for your life.
why can't I move? Why can't we move? Go, just flipping run. Come on, good luck.
This guy disappeared.
I'm out. I'm still out, still. Right. I dipped since 5 years ago, more like. You made me think that I was the only one that had the extinguisher. So I'm bright like a diamond. So beautiful. And
Can the police actually just guard the station?
I swear, bro. Instead of having to come back.
Ooh, Berlin.
Come on,
Yeah.
pause.
Bro. Yay! You're trying to scam me.
Pause.
Wait.
Come on.
You're trying to escape, bro.
One for a minute. Where do you think you're going? Elon Musk. One like actually look at his face. He looks like Elon Musk.
Elon Musk's father, bro. You brokey.
I swear. Elon Musk with the broke version.
You're Elon Musk's father, bro. Are you really that broke? Does he not give you some money?
Right, let's see. What am
Nah,
I
come back
doing?
here, boy. Why are you driving on the train? You know what? Pick up the phone.
Normal people in real life actually drive on train tracks.
Yeah, I know, but like, wouldn't it be like bumpy though?
Yeah, for a point.
Like crazy bumpy.
Yeah. Well, not like train tracks, but like Lewis tracks, you know?
Oh, yeah. And the police just got murdered.
Well done. Truly beautiful. Isn't that just beautiful?
Oh, never mind. It blew out. Oh, why is our boss so stupid? So, like,
So racist. Like, did you know that we're ridiculous? I have
where is the wrench? Oh,
guess what? Emma, guess what?
what?
It goes at 131 days, and she's claiming that she has the owner added.
I don't give a shit.
Ah, don't give a shit.
This is like Midnight Hospital, bro.
Right. I don't even know what to do. Emma, I'm not.
Ah, if you don't come here now.
Do I have to though?
Yes.
Can't I just continue playing my Blood Crowd?
Nah, bro. You
so
gotta
racist.
come now.
I'm here. Do it.
You have to be beside me, bro.
Come here.
Oh, I see you. Are you really that scared?
Let me do it instead. This is gonna take 5 years. I'm ready.
Do. Now dip. Dip. Can you just kill me already, Joe? I'm trapped.
You're flipped.
I'm trapped.
I have to kill him somehow.
We can't. You literally can't. Oh, never mind. I'm not trapped. You have to survive for like 20 seconds.
I'll keep on running. Bet.
Bro, this boss fight is so mid. Alright, come. Continue on coming.
Oh, finally. Did we actually beat it? Nope. Bet.
Wait,
we
what?
didn't beat it.
Goodbye, Jack Kevin. Alright. Yes! The good ending.
We beat the game, guys.
Oh my god, that was so tough. Ah!
Yeah, that was definitely so cool.
Yeah,
We had to
bro.
go through an obstacle course and everything. Yeah.
We literally had to, survive. What the fuck?
Like what?
We had to survive, like,
Oh yeah, we already played this mode. Remember?
we haven't.
Have we not?
No, we haven't. I'm pretty sure. Yeah, you're talking about Sinister Cashier. This is Christmas Nightmare. But anyway, lads, we have literally just been in the game. We literally had to survive every single thing that could kill us. We had to survive gunshots. It was so tough, bro. But anyway, lads, yeah, that's the end of the video.
Bye.
Guys, I just want to say this. We might actually play this game in the future someday, or maybe even tomorrow. Who knows? But yeah, that's the end of this video, lads. And I will be making the Where I've Been video and a brand new Basketball Zero video coming out. Hello everybody, welcome back to a brand new video. This is the part 2 of the Midnight Train track I Am Back. Yeah, very, questionable
Last
name.
time our game broke, but it fixed now. So yeah. And we need to kill one more rat. One.
Alright lads, be right back.
I'll find them, bro. Up. Now we have to restart and do this all over again.
Wait.
What's I'm not bothered to do all this again, so